Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2016 BMW R1200RT. Beautiful condition, only 26,700 miles. This thing is loaded with options. Adjustable windscreen, it's got the engine guards, rider backrest, low seat, GV top case with a rack. Tires are in great shape, runs perfectly. It's got the heated grips, onboard computer. We were pricing this bike to sell quickly. Retail's about $13. We're gonna be at $10,999. So don't miss out. If you've been waiting for one of these, this could be the one for you. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.